Hello everyone, it's been a very long time when we had a chat. I have stopped making such videos because, as you can see, my surroundings are way too noisy and I was just not able to record videos and talk to you guys. But today I thought, let me just do it, and please just excuse all the noise which you hear and concentrate on what I'm saying. So as the name suggests, today we are going to talk about, and I'm going to show you guys how you can remove your facial hairs effectively, painlessly and very easily. So I'm going to use two products. One will be the Flawless. This is facial hair remover, and other I will be using the normal eyebrow shavers. So I've been using both these products from a long time and both gives good results. These blades I've got from Miniso. These are very cheap, like 150 for this pack. Flawless is a little bit expensive. Also, the original one may or may not be available to you. Currently it's stock out everywhere, but both works perfectly. Both are painless, does not give me any extra hair growth. They haven't given me that, does not irritate my skin and does not cause me any bad effects. So I would definitely recommend you guys, you can use both of them, whichever suits you. So I'm going to use Flawless on this side and razors on this side, so that I can show you how both perform and you can yourself see which one would be good and how they perform and look into your skin. So just to mention, I don't shave or remove my facial hairs regularly. I don't think there is a need. I just do it whenever I feel like pampering myself and just do that extra thing. If you don't have a lot of hairs, you can completely skip that. Also, I'm going to show you how you can trim your and perfect your eyebrows using the razors, the blades, and then you can work it out. As you guys know, during this lockdown we all want to learn that and remove those excess hairs from our body. So let's jump into the video.